Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So if we come right here now, guys, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You have two fuse boxes. We'll need to work in the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open your hood and you come, guys, next to your car battery, right here, that's the car battery. Right behind it, you have a fuse box cover. You open that fuse box cover and you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like that. This one will be towards the front of the truck. This will be the car battery here, and this towards the back side where the windshield is. That's what it will look like once you open it. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the active grill shutters, guys, fuse. First, check this thing out. You have different kinds of relays, fuses. All of these could be really hard to find, expensive, especially in small towns, guys, or even in part stores. They can be really overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price, quick shipping, for a peace of mind. Put some spares in your glove box so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. That's the fuse panel that we will need. We'll need to come in that row right here, and we need to find fuse number 97 from the very bottom to the top. That's that third fuse, 10 amp fuse right here that you will need to check for the grill shutters, guys, right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.